Hello guys, YouTube users, and I'm here to tell you that I just got Final Fantasy Lightning Returns, and yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna unbox this item right now. So yeah, I just wonder what's inside. Got it for free, just don't know how. Just wait, I'm thirsty. I'm more right-handed, so my left hand always blocks my way, so yeah. Sorry about that. And yeah, you see, Lightning Returns is a very good game, and it's from Final Fantasy. Yeah. I was supposed to go get it at EB Games since someone gave it to me for free, so don't need to right now. Good thing is, if you want to go to EB Games, get an Edge card. It's very cool. You get points and yeah. But the Platinum card, you will get discounts. But here you go. Wow. Cool disc. Jeez. Whoa, manual. Cool. Yup. And yeah, I just can't wait to play on it on my PS3. So yeah. Okay. So guys, sometimes if I have any more new stuff, if I need to unbox it, I'll show you guys. Say that sometimes I'm too lazy to do that, just to tell you guys. Because I don't really post videos every day, to be honest with you. Because I have lots of different stuff to do. Because I'm too busy. I'm not really that a YouTube posts videos guys. And I don't really go on my channel that often, just to warn you. So yeah, peace. Bye-bye.